Hello, welcome to Angela's Hangout. Oh my god, totally not creepy. I just wanted to share with you some Halloween fun. It's nothing scary at all. It's not gonna freak you out. There's no blood and guts or anything like my previous video. But however, this one is just like a little house tour because my house has done a lot of changes over like the past year or two. I think I don't know how long it's been since I've actually done a house tour. Anyway, I just wanted to share it with you, and it's kind of a minimalist look, so you get a touch of Halloween everywhere in every corner. So let's go check it out. Blah! Did I scare you? I'm trying just a little bit. So this is what you see as soon as you walk in the front door. You see my donut chair that I got from Wayfair, my ginormous couch that I got from Wayfair, these trick-or-treat little pillow covers. I got those from Amazon. They were $9.99 for a set of 4 of them. For whatever reason, my little guy thinks that he's an interior decorator, and he likes to move them around all over the place. I'm lucky that they're even on the couch right now. The one on the other side was in the wrong spot, but you know what? We'll just have to live with that one. Okay, so this is my coffee table. It used to be just plain glass. I painted the bottom of it all black, and just to try and break it up just a little bit. And these Pampas Grass, I got like a set of 60 of them for $20 on Amazon. I do have a code if you'd like to go check those out. They're nice and big and fluffy. In fact, they're kind of in my way when I'm trying to watch TV. Over here, check out this, you guys. I got that little stool for $15 from Target. No joke, $15. I don't know if they messed up that day. So this is a combination of live plants and fake plants. And there's that stool, so super sharp. And here is a little stinker I was talking about. That is my interior decorator. Nope, not guilty whatsoever. Okay, let's run into my dining area. Now, I've made so many changes to this since the last time you guys have seen it. So I brought back my my pub table, and I just put some netting on there. And look at this, you guys. I put these shelves in and everything, so I have a pantry area. When we were going through the pandemic, I had no room in my kitchen, so I figured there is something I've got to do. So this actually works out absolutely perfectly for me. So some Target decor. I got those from the Target dollar spot. And I got these little trick-or-treat things in the skeleton from the Five Below, and they were $5. And of course I had to have some dead-ish flowers, and that little ghost came from the Dollar Tree. So cute. One last look at that pantry, you guys. I got that from Home Depot, and I got a really good deal on it. I think everything cost me in total around $400. So not bad. So anyway, let's whip around over to my little bar cart. I'm calling this a bar cart. It's really just shelves. And look who we have here. It is Bobby Fillet. Get it? Pun intended. So he is sporting my new channel. It is called Easy Eatery. He's wearing my apron. And of course, he has his little trick-or-treat towel on his hands. And we are serving up some s'mores. So this is just everything that I have on my bar cart, just some little candies and getting ready for the little festivities that are happening just tomorrow. I'm super excited, or I guess I should say today at this point. And then, yeah, so just have like this little bowl that I got from the Dollar Tree, and the little skeleton head from the Dollar Tree as well. Those little books came from the 99-cent store, and that's a $5 pumpkin. The other one was thrifted. Let's go zip on into my kitchen real quick. Now, there's not a whole lot to see in here other than appliances, but start off right here. This says, puts it perfectly. If all else fails, take out. It is. Okay, that's totally true. And then the little, oops, I left a tag on there, bewitching in the kitchen. Everything else came from Target. So look at all my appliances. This is what I cook with on my Easy Eatery channel, because I do everything so super easy. Oops, I forgot to unplug that cord up there. Sorry about that. Look at that little blender. I love that thing. I have a link for that as well on below. And I still have some fall things out, which I will be bringing. Well, doesn't really matter because I'm going to be needing those for Thanksgiving anyway. So just kind of makes my life a whole lot easier. All right, you guys, this is looking into my kitchen. These pumpkins, I got those from the thrift store. They were super cheap. I think I got them for like $6. And the other one came from my daughter's grove, so her neighbor's grove, I should say. And you can see that my plant is fitting in nicely because it has a dead leaf. So that is what you see when you're going into the kitchen. And here is the other side of my living area. This TV, I just got it from Amazon a couple months ago. And that sound bar as well. I love that thing. That's like so super handy. Behind my front door, this is what you see, these podium things. I got those from the Facebook Marketplace, and I've had those pumpkins forever. Here's just a cute little runaround tour of everything that is in my condo. This is my condo. I'm totally stoked about it. There's my fireplace that I redid for just $10. I think it turned out super sharp. It's holding up pretty well. It needs a coat. I could probably add a little bit more tape to it, but for the most part, it's holding up. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and please follow along for many other, who knows what we're going to get into next, right? I don't know. This is Angela's Hangout. We hang out here. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye now.